Payback is powered by Crone. What's driving the enhanced cooperation between Sudan and Eritrea?
The recent visit by Sudan's Prime Minister Camille Idris to Eritrea signals a significant opening of ties. According to DME Africa, both nations have agreed to boost cooperation across security, intelligence, and economic sectors.
What specific agreements were reached during this visit?
Idris detailed several key agreements with Eritrean President Isaias Afwerki, including activating a joint political committee and establishing a new economic body. They also have plans for large-scale joint ventures in marine fisheries, gold and oil refineries, and investments in the minerals sector.
Why is Eritrea so supportive of the Sudanese government amidst the ongoing conflict?
Eritrea is seen as a key supporter, hosting training camps for groups allied with the Sudanese army. There are also reports suggesting deeper military cooperation, with Sudan moving military aircraft to Eritrea for protection. This alliance seems to be a strategic move to address shared security concerns and leverage economic opportunities. The strengthened alliance between Sudan and Eritrea is definitely something to keep an eye on.
Indeed. It will be interesting to observe how this cooperation evolves.